Hi there, I'm Jessica from UPDF. Today I am excited to show you UPDF AI Online, which lets you chat with PDFs and beyond, perform deep research, get an AI-powered academic paper search tool, and so much more. So click the link in the description box below and follow me along step by step as we use UPDF AI Online. To begin with, I want to talk about the chatpdf feature. Chatpdf lets you ask questions, get summaries, translate text, create mind maps, and extract insights, all based on your document's content. With UPDF AI, you can summarize entire PDFs, specific pages, or selective content in your own style. Here are the steps to summarize your PDF using UPDF AI. First, go to ai.updf.com or click the link in the description below to access UPDF AI Online. Select the Chat PDF option from the left sidebar. Click Upload File and select the PDF you want to summarize. Once uploaded, click Start Chat with PDF. UPDF AI will analyze and automatically generate the summary of the PDF. To get the summary of specific pages, click the Summary button from the Quick Prompt, select the page range, and click Summarize. To summarize specific content, you can copy and paste the content in the chat box and ask it to summarize. To summarize with customized settings, you can use the chat box to provide specific instructions. For example, you can use prompts like summarize the key points from this PDF in bullet points. This way, UPDF AI makes it effortless to understand lengthy documents. UPDF AI lets you translate your PDFs instantly into different languages in 3 different ways: side-by-side translation, page-by-page translation, and specific content translation. Here are the steps. Once you have uploaded the PDF, click the Translate button from the Quick Prompt menu. If you want to translate the entire PDF, click the Side-by-Side translation option. From the drop-down menu on the top, select the translation language. Afterwards, view the original and translated PDF side by side. You can also click the Download button to download the translated PDF. If you want to translate specific pages, click Page-by-Page Translation. Select the page range and click Translate. If you only want specific content translation, use the chat box with the prompt, translate this into your chosen language, and then paste content and hit the Send button. Other than summarizing and translating PDFs, the chat box is here to help you understand complex concepts or to extract specific content without reading the entire document. Here's how to explain or extract insights using UPDF AI. It is an effective way to organize your document's information into clear and structured ideas. You can see the main topics and subpoints in a single glance. Here's how to generate a mind map using UPDF AI. After uploading the PDF, type your question in the chat box. For example, your question could be, what is the main argument of this document? Press Enter and UPDF AI will instantly provide a clear explanation, helping you to quickly understand difficult sections and extract critical information, all without reading every page manually. One of the outstanding features of UPDF AI is the mind map generator. After uploading the PDF, click the Mind Map button from the Quick Prompt options. Select the page range and click Generate. Wait a few moments as UPDF AI analyzes your document and creates a visual mind map based on its key points. You can zoom in or out, explore different branches, or even save or export the mind map for later reference. Other than chatting with PDFs, we also have the chatbot, your all-in-one AI assistant. Think of it as your creative partner, research helper, and problem solver all rolled into one. Using the chatbot is simple. Click Chatbot in the sidebar. Type your question or prompt in the chat box, such as write a short email to my client about project updates. Press Enter and you will get an instant response. Another handy feature inside the chatbot is the Quick Prompt buttons for faster and smarter responses. With just one click, you can summarize, translate, or explain any text or idea instantly without typing full questions. For example, I can simply type or paste my text into the chat box and use one of the Quick Prompt buttons. When I click Summarize, I get a short, clear overview of my text. And that's not all. You can even upload images or screenshots and ask questions about them. For example, select the image icon next to the chat box and upload an image or a screenshot. Then type your question about the image, like extract text from this photo. Press Enter and UPDF AI will instantly analyze and reply with the result. Now, let's explain one of the most powerful features of UPDF AI Online, which is deep research. You can use this feature while writing a report, conducting academic research, or preparing a presentation. Deep research helps you gather credible insights without endless scrolling or tab switching. Here's how to use the deep research feature of UPDF AI. Click Deep Research from the left sidebar. Type your topic or question in the search bar. For example, impact of AI on education trends in 2024. Select your search preference, i.e. standard or high quality. Hit the Enter key, and you will be asked to answer a few questions to create a comprehensive literature review. UPDF AI begins by searching through multiple documents, then extracts reliable deep research details. It automatically creates a new project containing all reference articles for easy review, editing, or future expansion. Once the results appear, you will see a structured report complete with key points, summaries, and citations for every reference. You can download it or view it online. Next up is Paper Search. It is your smart research companion for finding academic papers, journals, and reliable studies without leaving UPDF AI Online. Here's how you can use Paper Search. Click Paper Search in the left sidebar. Type your keywords or topic into the search box. For example, climate change and renewable energy adoption. Hit Enter and UPDF AI will instantly display a list of related academic papers and publications. Use the built-in filters to make your search more specific. Click the filter icon and then narrow down results by publication year. Or you can use the Sort By and Fields of Study options for precise results. Once you have the results, you can interact with them in different ways. chatpdf. Open a PDF chat box for the selected paper and ask anything you want. Add to library. Save the paper to your personal UPDF library for future reference. Add to project. Organize the paper under a specific research project you're working on. Download PDF. Download the full paper instantly if a PDF is available. And view relation graph, which lets you explore how the paper connects to others through citations and shared topics. Now, let's move on to the library. The library makes it easy to store, manage, and access your papers with the click of a button. Here's how you can make the most of your library. Click Library from the sidebar to open your document space. To upload the PDFs or projects, click Upload Files to Cloud. To organize documents, you can create a new folder and move files. Alternatively, you can add tags to keep your files organized by topic, client, or project. At the top right side, you can see your available cloud storage, the upload/download status, and the trash folder to access recently deleted files. With your library set up, everything you need is just a click away. Lastly, Projects lets you use UPDF AI to chat across all your documents in one workspace, linking insights more smoothly and precisely. Here's how to use the Project feature in UPDF AI Online. Click Project in the sidebar. Click Upload Multiple Files, where you can upload files from your device or select the ones in the library already. Once added, click Start Chat with Project. Now, use the chatbot to ask for summaries, explanations, or other insights. You can click Add Files to add more PDFs. And that wraps up our walkthrough of UPDF AI Online, the smarter way to chat with PDFs, translate, summarize, and research, all in one place. Head to the UPDF AI website to start working smarter with your documents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave us a comment, and click the little bell so you'll receive notifications for our future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.